Yeah, I can feel it.
Hi, honey, we're going to take care of you, okay?
Paramedics are met with a grisly scene after a 73-year-old grandmother is attacked inside her own home. But as detectives unravel the case, they uncover a connection to the suspect that no one saw coming.
He like went to town.
Yeah, cover the holes.
Just anywhere you see a hole, plug it.
Okay.
The following report is based on official police records released to date, and the footage has never been seen before until now. On the afternoon of February 22, 2024, the Bel Air Police Department in Harford County, Maryland, receives a report from a teenager who says her grandmother, Mary Bland, has been stabbed.
So grandmom's
I don't know why. It's just me. Anytime I hear something that's familiar, it instantly takes me to like a TV show or something, because as soon as they said Bel Air in my head, I said, in West Maryland, born and raised in Bel Air is where I spend most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing with my grandma. Something done happened to my damn grandma. I got problems, y'all. That's what popped in my head. I'm just telling y'all. I don't know if y'all think like me, but when they said Bel Air, first thing I thought of was Fresh Prince, and I'm pressed.
in the house, and where's she bleeding? She hurt?
Where's your grandfather? He's not here, is he?
Mary is found barely conscious on the floor near the
grandma's
front
where I spend
door.
most of my
Mary
days.
lives with her husband as well as her granddaughter, Alyssa, who was home at the time of the attack.
Ma'am, can you talk to me? Hello, please. Medics are here, okay? Hang tight, ma'am. We're just making sure the house is safe before EMS comes in, okay? I need EMS.
Yeah, can they come in? Yeah, come on in, guys.
She's right here. We're trying to... She's breathing. She's not talking.
Hi, dear. Are you with us?
Looks like,
Bad.
She got one.
yeah, 1, 2.
Chest. We get a chest seal.
Yeah, I got a chest seal ready. Give him. Let me just cut it.
Here, I got it.
At 73.
Hi, honey, we're going to take care of you, okay?
Yeah.
She's got stab on the top
Yeah.
of her shoulder. Somebody write this down, or Cameron or something.
Back of the head.
I don't...
Right there.
She got significant lax back neck.
Yeah.
Can we cover that?
Oh,
Yeah.
Hold pressure. Back of the head.
There we go.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like
Mary is placed in an ambulance, and officers don't immediately find a weapon or a suspect. But a locked door at the back of the home appears to be tampered with, showing signs of an attempted break-in. As officers untangle the events, paramedics focus on treating Mary, who has been stabbed 25 times.
My finger's in a wound.
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I can feel it.
He like went to town.
Yeah,
Cover the holes.
Just anywhere you see a hole, plug it.
Okay. Can you lean her up just a little bit more?
Man, you know it's bad when they got to say cover the holes. 25 times on a 73-year-old woman ain't good. And in the back of the head, bruh. You serious? Like, that's almost worse than getting shot. I feel like that's worse than getting shot, man.
Mary fights for her life as officers focus on identifying her attacker. But they soon learn there's a shocking tie between them, one that's centered around Mary's granddaughter, Alyssa. Alyssa's friends arrive and tell an officer that someone has been stalking and threatening her.
Listen. All right. It's okay. All right, we're working something right now. Okay. Take a deep breath for
What
me.
happened?
You talk with that officer, but there was an individual had showed up here.
I knew it. It's her ex-boyfriend. Oh my God, he told her he was going to kill her and her family. Jesus Christ.
The
I
person,
don't know his name. That's the only
What's
thing.
she look
It's
like?
just that I don't know.
She won't.
She's too
She
scared.
won't.
okay.
Damn.
Frank. What's this guy's name?
Officers learn that the man they're looking for is 24-year-old Angelo Terrell Spencer. As the detective arrives at the scene, Alyssa reveals the chain of events that began this afternoon. She says she was alone in her bedroom when Angelo suddenly barged in. Within moments,
That's
the
a big
day took
dude.
a horrifying turn.
As he's leaving, I guess Grandma somehow would talk to him in the doorway, and Grandma got stabbed. He was like oral sex and so
That's her ex-boyfriend?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Do
That's how that's the connection.
Alyssa is taken away for a sexual assault forensic exam while her grandmother Mary is treated at a local hospital. Meanwhile, officers canvass the neighborhood and review doorbell camera footage from homes along Mary's street as they attempt to track down their suspect, Angelo.
Does he look pretty big? He's supposed to be a big boy.
dude.
He looks like he's a big boy.
I would say he's bigger than me because he's walking by the mailbox. It's
Suspect is 6'5", 300 pounds. But
6'5", 300 pounds.
According to police records, an officer finds Angelo's home address, which is only a few miles away from where the attack on Mary took place. Officers approach the residence, but Angelo's mother says he isn't there.
What's going on?
When's the
Man, and she 5'5", 600 pounds.
This morning when he left.
This morning when you left,
To take him
Oh,
to school.
man.
he's actually a possible suspect in a stabbing. Okay.
I need to sit down. Can
You
come
need to
in?
stand up.
Angelo's mother tells the officers that he isn't answering her phone calls, and he's likely driving his current girlfriend's car.
okay. What's her last name?
I don't know her last name,
You
sir.
got a phone number for?
This is not him. This is not
Sure.
Angelo.
And I understand.
He's been doing really good. He's not a bad kid.
Give me 1 second, okay?
You can't say he's been doing really good and then in the same instance say he's not a bad kid. He is a bad kid if he has prior been doing things to make him turn into doing good. If that makes sense. You can't say he's been doing really good, which means prior he was doing bad. Then he got right a little bit, and then he went back to doing bad and then say he's a good kid. You can't. 6'5", 300 pounds on a 73-year-old woman. It was nothing she could do. Nothing. I blame the food. I don't know why,
An
but I blame
officer
the food.
returns to his patrol car
me
to
up.
call Angelo's current girlfriend, Christy, in hopes to get a lead on his whereabouts. But the conversation is interrupted when they realize Angelo may be closer than they thought.
And you said the last time you spoke to Angelo was what time?
I don't know the exact time.
But it was like early this morning.
Yes.
Does Angelo have your car now?
No, I
She don't
currently
even
do.
know.
I just ran in the apartment.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Lord.
Put your hands behind your back. Can I just tell her I love her, please? Please. Please just let me tell my mom I love her.
Mom! 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 Mommy! Mom!
Bro, you too big to be saying mommy.
Mom! 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 Please, please. Not inside, no, so I can tell her I love her. That's all I got. Mom!
As Angelo is apprehended, officers see his girlfriend, Christy, who arrived at the apartment complex with Angelo just moments ago.
Are you Christy?
Yes, I am.
I was legit just on the phone talking to you. You just told me you wasn't speaking to...
I hadn't spoken to him. He had just picked me up from work to get his daughter.
Okay, I don't appreciate being lied to. Just turn around for me.
Yeah, lying ass. Going to jail too.
You're just being detained.
Realize what he did to your grandmama? It's her fault. I blame the food on her too. It's the food. The food is evil. Okay, the food is making people do stuff. You get up past a certain weight, and you and the food make you do crazy stuff. It's chemically imbalancing you. You're chemically imbalanced. Okay. I would say drop the burgers and pick up some salad, but you can't eat salad nowadays. You might get exposed to diarrhea, according to the FDA. It's not a laughing situation, but come on, man. You gonna lie and say you ain't seen him and you in the car with him? You need to go too, and you don't even know. Hold on, or does she know? Do you know what you about to go home to? Because you're gonna feel real bad. You're going to feel like a real kitty person when you go home and be like, hey, grandma, where's grandma at? Grandma at the hospital, chopper style. Chopper style. Chopper style. Because of your boyfriend. And then you're going to feel like crap because you could have been home with her Would he have done it if she was there?
This is your child.
Joe, I don't know.
That's his job.
Angelo and his girlfriend Christy are brought to the station, and detectives first approach Christy to inform her about the chilling allegations against Angelo.
You were in the car with somebody who just committed a crime, and then he was stopped. You apparently were in the car. I wasn't there. We're just going to have you make sure. We're going to see if there's any type of blood or anything on your clothing.
Sure.
This officer is going to search you, and then we're probably going to have a little conversation, okay?
The detective questions Christy about when she first saw Angelo that afternoon. She says Angelo picked her up from her job at a middle school around 2:45 p.m. According to court documents, this was minutes after police arrived at the scene of Mary's stabbing. The pair stopped at Safeway before picking up Angelo's daughter from daycare. Christy says nothing seemed out of the ordinary, and the detective ultimately decides she's free to go. With Angelo in custody, the detective turns to him for answers about the gruesome attack on Mary and whether he's willing to offer the truth. Meanwhile, her survival could determine his fate.
Relax, man. Put your hands. You're just relax. Take a breath.
My daughter okay?
Yes, your daughter's safe. Angelo, I'm just gonna give you the floor. Let you start, man.
I'm going to wait for life.
So tell me what happened today.
I've been in a bad place.
All right. What's going on? Yeah.
I laid off. I don't got no source of income. I got custody of my daughter. I haven't felt happiness in a long time. The one person that made me feel happy doesn't want to be with me anymore.
Angelo tells the detective that earlier that day he began texting his ex-girlfriend Alyssa multiple times and asked to meet, but she told him she didn't want to see him, which made Angelo upset.
She tells you no. Okay.
But she does it because I like it, so she'll repeatedly do it. Today I went past. Grandpa wasn't home.
Okay.
Grandma called us in the driveway. I'm a very smart guy. I pay attention to everything.
Yeah.
You can probably put Ring doorbell cameras and say you caught me 4 times walking past. Scoped the area out before I went. Trying to get through the back door. Couldn't.
Angelo says he tried getting Alyssa's attention near the rear basement door of her grandparents' house. When he was unsuccessful, he drove to Home Depot where he bought a glass cutter, a pocket knife, and a pair of gloves. Angelo returned to the house and cut a hole in the basement door, but when he realized it was locked with a deadbolt, he walked towards the front and texted Alyssa to let her know he was outside.
She told me exactly where Grandma was at.
Okay.
She told me there was no way I was getting in. I started getting frustrated, mad. I told myself I was going to see her one way or another. I never met Grandma. I was shaking while talking to her at the door.
Angelo admits that he grew angrier and decided he would make a bold move and ring the doorbell. That's when Alyssa's grandmother, Mary, answered the door.
When Grandma answered the door, what happened?
I made up a lie.
Yeah.
I told her I was looking for somebody named John. She came to the door and said, I don't think I know it, John. I pushed her. I pushed her. She started to kick back and the dog came. I got so scared, man. I didn't know what to do. So I just grabbed the knife that was in my pocket. I stabbed his shoulder.
Okay.
I thought that would be enough. Started screaming. I got scared. I just kept going.
So when you went upstairs to see stuff, what happened?
Opened the door.
Mm-hmm.
The dog was in there.
Okay.
The second dog. So when the door, he ran for the door. I shut the door.
Okay.
She couldn't go nowhere. And I grabbed it by her neck. And I held the knife to her. And I kissed the side of her cheek. And I said I was sorry.
Anything else happen?
No.
Originally, we heard something about her taking her pants off, or you telling her to take her pants off. Did anything like that happen?
No. I wanted her to.
Okay.
She started to, and I got too nervous.
Alright.
I said, I gotta get the out of here. I knew I was going to get caught.
You knew what?
I knew I was gonna get caught.
Why stab her and at all?
I just pushed her first, and I was like, okay, maybe I can just hurry and get upstairs to see her. But by then, she was telling her to call the police, and just like, oh, what the hell do I do?
Angelo also asked a critical question about his ex-girlfriend's grandmother, unaware that the answer could change multiple lives forever.
What's your question? Unfortunately, no, she passed away.
Damn.
So that's murder.
Yeah.
Is that life?
It's not up to me. That's why we have court system.
Am I gonna make it?
What do you mean? Are you?
It's a lot of stories of other new people going to jail and not me.
According to court documents, 24-year-old Angelo Spencer pleaded guilty to the first-degree murder of 73-year-old Mary. The other 6 charges against him, including second-degree murder, 2 counts of assault, 2 counts of rape, and home invasion, were dropped. He was sentenced to life in prison with a minimum of 75 years to be served. To access more of our content, including extras such as...
Jeez, man. These are 3 just sick videos, man. That's real life Fatal Attraction and stuff. You know what I mean? How do you get... I guess he's a broken man. There's still no excuse. There's no excuse. I don't understand how you get so scared what you meant to do to your ex-girlfriend, you end up doing to her grandma. And then when you get to your ex-girlfriend, you have some type of consciousness all of a sudden. What am I doing? What's going on? And then tell her to take her clothes off. So you do what? What was you going to do to your ex-girlfriend? Are you know what I'm saying? Like, you hurting that bad to where you... I can't, man. Look, these videos they have me stumped. I don't really say to y'all, man. That's it got me stuttering. I don't need to know what to think. That's all, folks. No. Hey, man. It's just you got y'all, man. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight, man. I need to make a shirt like that. It's another unfortunate situation. What you mean you gonna make it? You 6'5", 300 pounds. I don't think too many dudes in prison is gonna mess with a 6'5", 300 pound killer. They might be like this. Hey man, we got the jumpy. Craig, let's jumpy. Sit your dumb ass down, man. Crazy. Again, before you get with somebody, do a full background check. You have to now. You have to nowadays. Too many people is out here on the worst stuff, on prescription pills. Their minds is broken. They got, disorders and things like that. And it's just there's a lot of things in this world that are making people snap. Even just getting up and going to work. You see videos all the time. People are like, what am I even working for? What am I even getting up and going to work for? I work and I feel like I keep digging myself deeper in the hole. And they just don't know where to go. And it brings them to this point like this right here. And they do the worst of the worst. All right, y'all. Y'all be easy, man. Y'all have a good night. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. If you didn't see the live, tap into the live. If you missed any other videos that I've done this past week, I've been pumping out a lot of videos. Please go catch up on all the videos. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Be easy, y'all. Peace and love.